Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today's going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm going to be telling you about our biggest event yet. And it's going to be jam-packed with information, and it's not going to be a long video, so I hope you can stick around for it. So, tomorrow, Wednesday, April 10th, is the start of our anniversary event. Frannie's Hair is turning 1 as of tomorrow, and I just have to say thank you to all of you. I could not have done this without you. You support me by watching my videos, subscribing, commenting, giving feedback. You send me emails. I love getting to hear from you. You joined the Facebook group, the private Facebook group Frannie's Hair, and I love seeing all of you there with pictures of yourselves in wigs and telling us your success stories and how wigs have really changed your life. And it really means so much to me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. So what we're doing for the anniversary event is we are putting things on the biggest sale they've ever been on, giving away gifts with purchases, and we're raffling off 2 wigs. So let me start by telling you about the big sales and the gifts with purchases. First, Tressalure is going to be 40% off, and with your purchase, you'll get a travel size wig wax. Then Estetica is going to be 35% off, and with your purchase, you get a free compact mirror. Then we have Ellen Villa at 30% off, and with your purchase, you get a travel size detangler. And then Raquel Welch will be 30% off, and the first 125 customers will get a free Raquel Welch cosmetics case. And the final gift with purchase is for every open box wig you purchase, you get a free hair grip wig grip. So that's some pretty great sales alone, and then you get gift with purchases for all of those. Now we are going to be raffling off 2 wigs, the first of which is a Henry Margu wig, and you'll actually enter in this video here. So what you need to do to enter to win the Henry Margu wig is subscribe to the channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up underneath the video, and then comment. Tell me your favorite thing to do when you are celebrating a big occasion in your life, like an anniversary or a birthday or whatever it may be. We're also going to be doing a live show on Saturday night, and I will be getting the details to you about that. So if you have the chance to set aside Saturday night to join us, I'd love to see you there. I love the chance to connect with you. Okay, so that's the overview of the big sales with the gift with purchases. Other brands are on sale as well, so make sure starting tomorrow you head over to frannieshair.com to check out all of these great deals. It's the time to stock up. It's the biggest event yet. And again, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting our business. It means so much to me. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon, hopefully Saturday.